Good morning, MHS. I have not seen Tyler in a week, and here are your morning announcements for today. Are you interested in baking and eating yummy treats? Come to our first baking club meeting on 11/1 in D4 for the baking club. Please reach out to aforgit at Milford MA with any questions. Can't wait to see you there. Interested in joining the back-to-back state championship wrestling team? There is a quick informational meeting for any boy or girl interested in joining the wrestling team after school on Wednesday, November 1st in room 857, which is Coach Boccia's room. Coming to the meeting does not mean you have to commit to the team. Simply come and get some more information about what the season will look like. If you cannot make it, stop by room 857 and talk to Coach Boccia. Attention all students. CARE is running a trick-or-treat bag event. See CARE members down in the cafeteria during lunches this week to send a trick-or-treat bag to a friend or staff member. Bags are $1 each and will be delivered on Monday, October 30th during Flex. The new MHS Chess Club meets every Monday after school in room E03. All levels are welcome. Chess sets, clocks, and instruction are all available. Bring your own sets or play online. Feel free to contact Mr. Roy for more information and questions. Milford Boys Basketball will be having an informational meeting in the locker room Thursday, October 26th at 2:30 for grades 9 to 12. There are opportunities posted on the bulletin board located in the upper A wing. Sadly, Spirit Week comes to a close tomorrow, and it is your pep rally shirt day. There will be a current members National Honor Society meeting after school on Thursday, October 26th at 2:30 in the cafeteria. Please let Ms. Boudelet or Mr. Silva know if you cannot attend. Have a great day and stay mother flipping classy, Milford High School.